What is up, guys? Welcome back. So this video is going to be completely different. I've never done a video like this before. It's going to be recorded with a Gopro Hero8 Black. Is it good? I don't know. We're gonna check it later. But what I see, it looks nice. It's in like 4K 24 right now. Actually 25. I can see it through my phone. It looks alright. Looks sharp, look clean. But no, this is not gonna be a replacement for my camera, for my DSLR or the Lumix S5. One thing that I'm concerned about how it's going to sound, if it's any good, the built-in microphone, or I'm going to find get an adapter and use the Rode NTG. I got it like 2 weeks ago. I don't know how this sounds because I don't have any cameras, I don't have any sound recorder, I don't have anything. Because the only thing I'm going to try tonight is that I'm going to try and plug the microphone directly to the phone and see how it's going to sound. So yes, I am shooting with the Gopro Hero8 Black. This is kind of like a vlogging style. I hope it's going to be good, and even if it doesn't, then I'm still gonna continue to use it because I don't have other options. Anyway, so you can see I'm using the GoPro Hero8 Black. Yeah, so this is all shot with the GoPro 8 Black. What I like about it is the hyper smooth is just amazing. We actually used it, like we were shooting like a couple days ago, and we used it running. It was great. Yeah, looks perfect to me for what I'm gonna use it. I think it does a job. What else I can add for this? I'm just gonna buy the mic adapter, the case. So yeah, the audio. This is what worries me a lot. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna switch to this one and compare it and see it how it's going to sound. Of course, this one is gonna sound better because it's Rode. So, all right. So here I got the microphone, and I'm going to connect it to my phone. Which the best thing about this microphone is that it powers on automatically once you plug it into your phone or any other devices. Which that's the main reason why I got it, because the two other microphones that I have, they are just too, I mean, the battery is just disaster. So yeah, let's just see. Once you plug it in, I don't know if you can see it here. It should. Yes. See, it's the green light. All right. So it's gonna be a little bit tricky because I don't have a tripod. So this is the sound coming from the Rode VideoMic NTG, which I personally like it. I haven't tested yet. I don't know how it sounds, but obviously I got the idea that it's going to sound amazing. Even though I'm using my phone, So let's switch back to the GoPro and see which one is better, which I'm sure the Rode is the winner. Okay, so we heard it, we saw it, but how can I connect this one to the GoPro while I'm going to be using it for this couple of days? Like I said, I'm gonna buy the cage, if I can call it like that, because I don't really know what they call it for the GoPro Hero8. So you can mount it. Maybe it's a little bit too long, too big for it. But anyway, let's see it. So until I get the accessories, I'm gonna be using it like this. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. So if you're new, consider subscribing, leave a comment below, give us your thoughts. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.